शिक्षिका व विद्यार्थ्यात प्रश्नोत्तर.
In a classroom. It is the map of India. Look at the map and tell me where Delhi is.
Madam, Delhi is in northern India.
Yes, it is quite correct. Where is Calcutta, Rakesh? Okay, where is Mumbai, Rita? Mumbai is in Western India, madam. Good. Now, tell me, Vivek, where Chennai is.
Madam, Chennai is in the South India.
All of you are right. Now, Ravina, tell me where is Nepal? Madam, Nepal is situated in the north of India. Rahul, which is the country in the west of India?
Pakistan, madam.
And in the east?
Bangladesh, madam.
Okay, Rahul. Now, Deepak, you tell me which is the sea in the west of India?
The Arabian Sea, madam.
Good. And in the south?
The Indian Ocean, madam.
Rekha, which is the capital of India? New Delhi, madam. How far is Mumbai from Delhi? Madam, Mumbai is around 1,600 kilometers from Delhi. Excellent, Rekha. Now, Ravi, you tell me, what is the main occupation of Indians?
India is a country of villages. Majority of people are farmers.
Which are the main rivers of India, Sapna? The Ganges, the Yamuna, the Kaveri, the Krishna, the Narmada, the Satluj and the Brahmaputra. Vijay, which are the 4 biggest cities of India?
4 biggest cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta and Chennai, madam.
What is the peculiarity of our country? Unity in diversity. Very good, Seema. Now clear your statement. There are many religions, but our country is a secular state. We have different caste and languages, but we are all Indians. You are right, Seema. Really, our country is great and we are proud of her.